Here we go, everybody. We're covering the S&P 500. Over the last several days, we've had very, very low volume. We're in the earnings season right now, and this is a daily chart of the S&P. So one thing is going to happen is that there isn't a real big commitment right here. We're just coming right up here to test these tops where we had these pullbacks before, and the volume is extremely light. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be taking some positions in this volatility. And what do I mean by that? Um, as we come up toward these top ranges, that is where the S&P will have its double top resistance. Right now we're right here exactly, and we're above the 10-day, we're above the 50-day, the white line, and this red line is a 20-day simple moving average on the S&P. So basically, when we had undercut these moving averages over here, we decided that either we were going to come down and test this bottom where we rallied last time right here. So it's in a range, and the buyers are not really committed. And we are in the volatility with the earnings and whatnot. So the 20-day simple moving average is at 2077, the 10-day simple moving average at 2072, and of course the 40-day simple moving average at 2085, and that 50-day simple moving average at 2075. Now, generally, when you get these moving averages like they are, the 100-day simple moving average is right here, and that 100-day simple moving average was flat, and then we broke straight out up here on lower volume. Generally, when you go through a 100-day moving average, which is support, you break higher right away. And we can clearly see what this 1 day, 2 days, there's 3, 4, and then there's the 5th day. And the shorts were not covering a lot of stocks in the S&P. Otherwise, you would have blown straight up. So there's that resistance level, everyone. Here's another top. We could come up and see what happens here. That's going to be roughly right around 2105, 2105 on that S&P 500. So I'm going to conclude that the S&P 500 is in a very narrow range. I don't have a real big commitment on buyers. And every time that we do get them, we kind of come back down. And just remember, these simple daily moving averages that we're talking about, particularly the 100-day moving average at 2061, you can clearly see it gained its support level. And then these tops right here are all narrow range within the last 5 trading days on that S&P 500. Once again, stay tuned. We're going into earnings season. We'll have a lot more updates right around the corner.